Welcome to my Korean kitchen. Today I'm going to make bibimbap. It's healthy and delicious. You can make bibimbap with many different ingredients. But today I will use simple, easy to find one. I will also cook a few ingredients at the same time to reduce dishwashing. For the vegetables, I will use a quarter of a carrot, spinach, half an onion, mushroom, and bean sprout, along with sesame oil, sesame salt, and minced garlic. With these ingredients, you can make bibimbap about 4 times. For serving, you will need steamed rice, gochujang, a little sesame oil, sesame seed, and an egg. For detailed measurement, check the description below. First, let's prep the vegetables. Julienne the carrot and onion. Wash the bean sprout and spinach. I'm using frozen mushrooms. No, I only have about a few grams left. That's one great thing about bibimbap. You can use up leftovers. You can add other vegetables like radish, eggplant, zucchini. If you are not sure what works, leave a comment below. I will let you know. Now, let's cook. Using one pan, stir-fry the mushrooms first with a pinch of salt. Next, stir-fry the onion. Add another small pinch of salt. Finally, stir-fry the carrots. Oops, I slightly burned them, but it's fine. Next, blanch the vegetables. I will use one pot for both, not because I'm lazy. It actually saves water and detergent, okay? Add the bean sprouts first. Blanch for about 2 minutes. Remove them, then blanch the spinach for 1 minute. Rinse it in cold water and squeeze out the excess water. Season the bean sprouts with sesame oil, sesame salt, and minced garlic, then mix gently. Season the spinach the same way. You can stop here for a vegetarian version, but I'm adding a fried egg. Now it's time to assemble our bibimbap. Arrange everything however you like. If you are cooking with kids, this is the fun part. Add gochujang, drizzle some sesame oil, and sprinkle sesame seeds on top. Take a moment to admire it. Then mix everything well. Don't hold back. That's how all the flavors come together. So good! What did you think of this simple bibimbap recipe? Feel free to use whatever vegetables you have at home. Give it a try. Thanks for watching and have a great day. See you in the next video.